Okay, back here on the 2008 Lakeview 54-foot houseboat, aluminum houseboat on Lake Ray Roberts. We'll go on inside here and take a look around. It does have the carpet and everything in here. It is 50 amp shore power. Nice enclosure, which is really nice in the wintertime, which it is right now. Does come with the gas grill. Nice leather sofa, dining table with granite top, granite counters, microwave, range, stove, full-size refrigerator, lower helm, VHF radio, Kenwood sound system, 700 some odd hours on each engine, and this boat does have the Mercruiser 5.0 MPI fuel injected engines. Westerbeek 12.5 kilowatt generator. Work our way toward the back. It does have the wood flooring underneath these rugs. It's all wood flooring. As you can see, they've put padding down, but that is wood flooring underneath the padding. Flat screen TV. Bedroom number 1 does have a TV in it. Closet. Head number 1 with vacuum flush RV style toilet system. Full size shower. Digital thermostat. Bedrooms 2 and 3. Some lights on in here. Flat screen TV in this one. And then on the other side, we've got a third bedroom back here. There's no TV in this one. And we'll go back up the steps in the back master stateroom. It does feature a queen size berth with a locker, sliding door access to the back deck, full size head with a toilet and another full size shower. And then this opens up to the back deck area, which we were just at. So there you have it. That'll complete this video, and then I'll open up the engine hatches here momentarily for my third and final video of this good looking 2008 54-foot Lakeview.